I am a colonist, don't you see? I don't like the high price of tea. The East India Company's really got me down, and paying taxes is making me frown. I am a colonist, don't you see? So I will follow the lead of the Sons of Liberty and throw it in the water, throw it! Woo! At the Boston Tea Party! All right, the next one goes to the tune of Cups. Oh, you gonna get the tea? All right. Ready? Okay. All right. I don't want British soldiers in my house, eating my food and in my bed. So I'll go and fight this quartering act and support liberty instead. When they're gone, when they're gone, when all those British troops are gone, I'm gonna drink a lot of tea and then I'll be free. When all those British troops are gone, I'm gonna go and be a minute man, a really specialized army, and I'll grab ammunition from a powder house and serve the Sons of Liberty. When I'm gone, when they're gone, when all those British troops are gone, I'm gonna drink a lot of tea and then I'll be free. When all those British troops are gone, I'm not so sure about John Hancock, New England's richest man, but I guess he supports the Sons of Liberty, so I will call myself a fan. When they're gone, when they're gone, when all those British troops are gone, I'm gonna drink a lot of tea and then I'll be free. When all those British troops are gone. Ben Franklin used to like King George, but his son governed New Jersey. But then he became a patriot, and that split up his family. When they're gone, when they're gone.